Assalamu alaikum. Today I am representing our Group A presentation on the topic performance appraisals and its methods. What is performance appraisal? Performance appraisal means evaluating an employee's current and past performance relative to his or her performance standards. Performance appraisal process includes three steps. Number one, setting working standards. Number two, evaluating the employee's performance relative to those standards. Number three, providing feedback for improvement of his or her qualities. Now we will discuss the methods of performance appraisals. We are going to divide performance appraisal methods into three categories. Category 1, behavioral performance appraisal methods. Category 2, personnel comparison systems. Category 3, results oriented performance appraisal methods. Category 1, behavioral performance appraisal methods include checklists, weighted checklist, graphic rating scale, mixed standard scale, forced choice scale, critical incident method, behaviorally anchored rating scale, which is abbreviated as BARS. Number 2 category, personnel comparison systems. It includes ranking and forced distribution. Number 3 category C, results oriented performance appraisal methods. It includes management by objectives, which is abbreviated as MBO. Now we will give a brief about these methods. Checklist. It is a list of descriptive behavior of job. Weighted checklist. It is a modified version of checklist. Here weight is assigned to the qualities and summed up the qualities and creating an overall performance. And third one, graphic rating scale. Graphic rating scale rates a large number of individuals in a short amount of time. It uses a scale consisting of dividable several levels range from 1 to 5. That is 1 equals to unsatisfactory and 5 equals to satisfactory. Mixed standard scale. Mixed standard scale is a modified version of graphic rating scale. Here we divide behavior into three categories. For example, good, average and bad. Forced choice scale. Here respondents must commit to an answer. For example, do you have management qualities? Here the answer will be yes or no. Critical incident method. Here the performance of employees is measured in a critical way. Behaviorally anchored rating scale. It uses a numerical scale for measuring employees' performance. Now we are going to personnel comparison systems. Ranking. Ranking means ascending to descending or descending to ascending order. Forced distribution. Here we are going to divide our employees into a percentage of employees. For example, 10% of employees must be included into unsatisfactory category. 15% must be included to fair category. 50% must be included to average category 15% must be included into good category and 10% must be included in outstanding category. And the last one, management by objectives. It is an evaluation method based on outcomes of the employees. Here, Peter Drucker was trying to design setting working standards and objectives and measuring performance appraisals by calculating results with a view to improving organizational productivity. In a study, we see that 68 of 70 studies, organizations have implemented MBO program and gain productivity. Thank you all for staying with us.